Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Previous I discussed class 7 lesson 1 food components part 3 over now part 4. Okay. Balanced diet. Balanced diet. Let us do 6. Let us do 6 activity given. Here yesterday you taken morning breakfast to night dinner whatever you are taken food components you have to make a list. Breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner. Okay, you have to make a list. It contains all food components like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals. That all are there means that is your balanced one. Are you clear? Okay, that is your balanced one. Okay, if it not there means that is not your balanced diet. Next one, let us do 7. Let us do 7. Here, this plate contains all food components. Na? This is thali. Okay, thali is very famous. Na? Okay, thali food content they are giving sweet, papadams, fruit, curd, rice, vegetables, leafy vegetable curries, other vegetables curries, dal, the dal varieties they are giving. Na? Here we have to make a list. Food item component. Here food item rice contains carbohydrates. Next fruits contains vitamins, minerals. Okay, like that we have to make a list. Bendi rijgar contains fiber, potato contains carbohydrates. Like that we have to make a list. This is nothing but balanced one. Okay, that is about let us do 7. Next, make your diet balanced one. Make your diet balanced one. You have to check your diet. It is balanced one or not. You have to take plenty, more amount fruits, vegetables you should take. Okay, little bit oils you should take. Okay, sufficient amount animal foods you should take. That is your diet. You have to check your diet balanced one or not. Next here dry fruits like cashew, badam, pistachios, okay, plums, dates. These are contains high calorific values, nutritional values. Okay, these are very costlier. These are not grow in all places. Some places only it will grow. Okay, it's very costlier. Okay, it's have so much demand. Okay, these dry fruits contains high calorific value. When we can take dry fruits, we will get good health. Okay, next balanced diet is cheap indeed. Balanced diet is cheap indeed. Here we can take instead of dry fruits, rice, roti, roti, curries, vegetable curries, dal, jaggery. Nothing but balanced one. Here what nutritional values we can get, same nutritional value here also we can get. Okay, this is a cheap indeed. Balanced diet is a cheap indeed. Here which food items we have to take adequately, sparingly, moderately. Here list given. Here some of the food items like cereals, proteins, milk we have to take adequately, sufficient amounts. Okay. Next, fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables, other vegetables we have to take plenty. More food items we have to take. Next, moderately, cooking oil. Next, animal foods like egg, chicken, mutton, fish. We have to take moderately. Okay. Don't take more. Don't take less. Moderately. Okay. Next, sparingly. Butter, cheese. That food items we have to take sparingly, little quantities. This is about our balanced one. Next one, avoid junk foods. What are junk foods? Like burger, pizza, fried foods, gums, candy, sugary foods. It contains, okay, so much. These are all waste foods, junk foods. We will take these junk foods. We will become obesity disease. We will get obesity disease. So many health issues happen. So we have to take instead of junk foods, we will take fruits, vegetables, dry fruits. It's very good. Our health is very good. Okay, our health is wealth. We have to stay fit and healthy. We have to take fruits and vegetables. This is about junk foods. Junk food leads to so many health issues. It disturbs digestive system. Okay. This is about junk food. It leads to obesity disease. Fatty. We can't go here to there. Okay. That is about avoid junk foods. Next, history of food and nutrition. Here, history of food and nutrition. 173 years ago, we have a little bit knowledge about nutrition. Okay, here Lavoisier. He is a French man. He is the founder of modern scientific nutritional research. Okay, he is the founder, Lavoisier. His period is 1743 to 1793. 1743 date of birth, 1793 date of death. He did so much contribution paid to the nutritional research. Okay, so much contribution. Okay, he stayed in laboratory. So much contribution did. Okay, he spent majority of life in laboratory, nutritional research. Next, James Lind, he discovered scurvy disease in 1752. Scurvy is nothing but bleeding gums, okay, swelling of body parts. That is the scurvy disease. Lack of fresh fruits and vegetables leads to scurvy disease. We will take fresh fruits, vegetables. It contains like citric acid. Okay, that is the supplement of the scurvy disease. We will take fresh fruits, vegetables. That disease will not come. That is about James Lind. He discovered scurvy disease in 1752. Next, 1952, they discovered the we have to take fresh fruits, vegetables. This will help to our immune system. It will not get scurvy disease. They find out. This is about history of food and nutrition. Our body contains carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, okay, proteins. These they did contribution.